Chapter 5 from the book discusses various ways to work with links and navigation. In Lesson 1 they talk primarily about external and internal links on web pages and inside a website. And to demonstrate this, the project begins with the striped umbrella by going under File and opening up in your data files the DW5_1 web page. And then they want us to save that inside of our striped umbrella site, and they want us to save that as the activities page. So overwrite the activities page and do not update the links, because what we're going to do now is click on in our data files and pull over those assets. So the first one we're going to pull over is the heron wading small, and then the second one we're going to pull over is the two dolphins small. And they should be now in your assets folder. You may need to refresh that just to make it work. And there they are. Okay. So those that just sets up our pages now where we can work with links. Now what I did this a little different than the book. They want us to do two external links to web pages. I actually went onto my web browser and put the actual link in to make sure it works. I'm going to copy that link just so I don't accidentally mistype it or put a typo in there. And then they want us to go where it says the famous Blue Angels, and I'm going to paste that link in my link box. Now, one thing you may notice or may not have noticed is when I was on the web browser, it didn't have the http:// before the web address, but when I paste it into here, it automatically puts that. If it doesn't automatically put it, you have to include http:// followed by the web address for it to be an actual working external link. So they wanted us to do that for the Blue Angels, and then down here in the next paragraph highlight USS Alabama, and I did the same idea. I have the USS Alabama website open, which works. I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to come down here and paste it into the link box, and perfectly it did add the http://, which was very nice. Okay, so that's how you make external links. Is you can either copy it from a open page in a browser or type it in. I just caution you, if you type it in, make sure that you include the http:// followed by the web address. Alright, next thing they want us to do is they want us to select fishing excursion in the third paragraph, and they want us just to link this to a page inside of our site, which is called an internal link. And the way to do this is quite easy. Click on the browse folder and go to the fishing page, and notice the link down here, it just has the name of the page inside the site, fishing.htm. They want to do the same idea beside that, the dolphin cruises. Click on the link and select cruises, and that sets that up pretty well. And just one last thing to note is under your assets panel in the links, it should list the links that are added there. If they're not there, you may need to hit the refresh button, but that just shows that we have these links existing.